Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. There's a new Discord Orbs, but before that, go to your Chrome web store and type in Urban VPN extension. If you're on phone, you can download it from your Play Store or Apple Store. Once that is done, change the location to the United States. Now refresh your Discord page. I recommend using Discord on Chrome on PC. Now all you need to do is scroll down the quest page, and you should be able to find a quest called Peacock Jurrasic Park. Click Start Video Quest. Now remember, if you are on phone, just stay on this page because there's a tracker. If you are on PC, you can skip the quest by dragging the frame of the video to the last part. If you don't know how to do it, just watch me. Also remember, I'm on MacBook. If you can't do it for some reason, it's okay, just watch the full video. There's no issue with that, it's just a 30 seconds clip. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough Orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure to not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want Orbs link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the Orbs link in this server. She will guide you properly as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video.